Yo, what's poppin', guys? Today I made a hip hop beat. Last two beat, and it's fucking dope. It's fucking dope. Without wasting my time, let's get into it. Let me show you how I made this beat. Man! We in the studios right now. That is about to go down. It's about to go down. Before you know it, just stay tuned. Listen. So let's get into how I made this beat. And I know you're going to be fascinated so much. Let's go. First off, I'm already in Fruity Loops and I used Purity as well as Nexus to do this thing, making this beat. Use Purity as you can see and Nexus. Yes, Nexus 2 and Purity. That is what I used. So what did I really do in this beat? Not much, but pretty something that every artist can use for a banger. You know what I mean? So first off, I think I played my drums, and this is how it sounded like. And don't forget, we're making hip life. This is a hip life beat. Hip life was also borrowed from hip hop, and we added the high life we do in Ghana, making hip life. Thanks to Reggie Rockstone. What's up? So basically, the drums solo sounded like this. Sounded like that, and afterwards I added this kick, but it's a low kick anyway. Yeah, and after that I added this. Then I added some snares. Yeah, so after the snares I added this other snare to make it a little bit heavy. Then I added this percussion to it. Alright, I added another kick, but it was a low kick. It's kind of this particular kick I worked on it a little bit because it had this maracas at the end, so I wanted the maracas rather. So as you can see, I've done some work here. Yeah, so I just had to take off the hard aspect of the kick and leave only the maracas, and I had this. Then I added some hi-hat. Then with that my kick was done. Then fast forward, I played my chord, which looked like this, and it's actually an A minor chord I used, and if you can hear it at the background, sounded like that. Dope. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do well to subscribe so that we can bring you more of this later on. Do you understand? When you are done, you can hit the notification bell. Please, I'm begging you, please subscribe, because it's going to help me create more content. And please, if you want me to create anything about Fruity Loops, anything about Cubase, just put it at the comment section below and I'll be diving into that one. So after I played the chord, which is like this, as you can see, you can just copy what you are seeing here. Yeah, you can copy it if you want to. So after playing that, just the same, the low part of the chord, I picked that one out and then I labeled it here. I just did my thing, and that one also sounded something like this. It's like a whistle. Yeah, don't forget we're making a hip life beat, and after that I played a little bit of melody which also sounded like this. So after this melody, what did I do again? I played another melody. You know, hip life is all about melodies. So it's just like Afro beat, but then it has this hip hop feel to it. So I think I must add something here. It's kind of dry here. No. Okay. 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 I think I'm liking this one. Yeah. Yeah. I think this is cool. So I played something like that. Then I went on and added more melodies. Just the third melody I guess. And it sounded like this. So it also sounded like that. And together with everything, it sounds like this. So guys, that is it. And I just like this beat because it's simple and it doesn't have much in it. So maybe after this I'll go to the stage where I do the arrangements, and this stage where I do the arrangement is where I'm going to decide where I'm going to add my rolling drums and all the tumpani and all those stuff. That is it. So if you want to make a hip life beat, it's as simple as this. You play your drums, your hip hop drums, add a little bit of percussions to it so that it looks more African. Then you go ahead and then start playing your chords just like I did. Then you play some 1 or 2 melodies attached to it. Then you are good to go. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe. This is a hip life beat in 9 minutes. I'm out. Thanks for watching.